Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, men and women, it is I once again, Dwayne Burns, and as promised, this is bonus one of the best and easiest Rubik's Cube tutorial. Let's see if I can practice what I preach. So based upon the steps that I just taught you all, I'm going to follow those steps in real time to see if they actually work. So the first step is the white cross. Okay, so I'll got those two matching right there. I see that's a non-opposite. Okay, and then I'm going to look for, see that one right there, so I'm going to bring that over. And then, bam. Okay, I'm a white cross, and then I'm going to do the white corners. Let's see. Red and blue. Red and green. There we go. All right, red and green. Okay, red and blue. Okay, red and blue. Fast enough? Oh, let's see. Gotta find one. There we go. There we go. Whoopsie. Now, another trick that I did not tell you all in the previous videos is that, notice how I don't look around the whole cube when I finish steps. When it comes to this step right here, for example, one of these scenarios is going to be either none of them going to be right, one's going to be right, or all four is going to be right. So if you see, in other words, if you see two of them that are correct, that means all four are correct. Oops. There we go. Bam. So I'm going to show you all one more video, one more bonus video. I hope you enjoy it.